Hey, I'm Damon Nelson. I'm your host today, and I want to show you a quick way to turn an audio podcast, like an interview style, into a video. And the cool thing is there's tools you probably already have. I'm just going to show you how to use them better to create a podcast style interview. So the first step, you got to create your script. Now, in my case, in the example that I had shown earlier on Facebook, I already had a Q&A with me and a customer, but I'm creating a script from scratch using ChatGPT. So we're going to create the script, and then we're going to convert the script into an audio podcast. There's a new feature on 11 Labs that I'm excited to show you, and it's how to generate a podcast interview. And it's pretty neat. Now, I don't know if it comes with the free version. I have the creator version, which is like $20 a month. And I also have cloned voices of my voice and Wayne's in there. So we're going to be using that version. And then we're going to convert it into a video using a program called Audiogram. And then once we're done, you just publish the media. It's that easy. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a quick script on chat. I'm doing a Santa Claus interview style. So in a fun and entertaining interview style, write a brief script of less than 600 words. Now this is going to take it to less than 3 minutes. It may go as long as 5 minutes if they stretch it out. It'll sound like two people discussing a topic and includes subject background along with pros and cons, just like the Notebook LM does. This is almost the exact same prompt that they would use. So host is Tom Jones and expert is Chris Kingle. Make it fun, stories, anecdotes. Topic is how does Santa make all those deliveries? Do not use AI detection words. Now, hopefully they'll listen to me. Make it sound like friendly adults are speaking in common English with a secret they can't share about the expert. Okay. Ran that. I even have voice narration in here and direction. But I copied this right here. This is my script. Okay, so I went down here and I copied it in Markdown language. It's important to do Markdown whenever you're going into 11 Labs is what I found out. Is if I just do this type of copy, it's going to put this in the script. But if you do Markdown, I'll show you, see if I can bring it up on a text file. Here's what Markdown looks like. So you have the two asterisks, Tom, and so it's whenever 11 Labs reads it, it reads it as it skips all that, and then it starts in with in between the quotes. Okay, so copy the Markdown. Don't just copy a screen capture. Okay, so I've got that. I go over here to 11 Labs, and I've already done this, but I'm going to show you how I set it up. Okay. Here is the new tool right here, this Gen FM Generate a Podcast. And you would just simply upload that text file you just saved as a Markdown from a Markdown, and then you pick your voices. Well, I'm going to be the host, and I don't have Santa in here. I've added it, but I don't see it in here. So I think I'm going to go with...
This is roam free.
I think this is a really nice way to just... On every thorn, delight.
Let's see.
Life isn't about finding yourself.
I'm trying to find something that would be more like Santa Claus.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end.
That's close.
One today is worth two tomorrows.
Okay. This is the other one.
On every thorn, delightful wisdom grow.
Okay, I'm going to use James Fitzgerald. He's a book narrator. I like this voice. It's more of an English accent. Multilingual. This is the highest quality. I'm going to go with that. Standard. We're good to go. And then you just simply hit generate. And it's going to queue it up, and it will usually take about, the last couple ones I've done, takes about 2 to 5 minutes. It doesn't take long. But I'm not going to generate this one because I've already done the exact same thing. So let's go down here to this one. And you can play each segment at a time, or you can play till the end. Santa Claus, logistics genius, or the world's most elaborate hoax? Today we're unwrapping the ultimate delivery operation that would make even Jeff Bezos lose sleep.
Whoa, hold up. Are we seriously discussing Santa Claus? I thought this was a show for grown-ups.
Oh, we absolutely are. But stick with me here. This isn't just about... It's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I've already got it generated, and let's set it up to download. Convert project. And we're going to make it a podcast and convert all. Now this is going to put it into a format that is an MP3. You can download it. You can push it up into an interview on Spotify or iTunes. It's very easy to use, but that's not where we're going to stop. I'll play it for you so you can hear it, and then we're going to convert it into a video. Okay, it says converted. Let's download it. Let's hear what it sounds like. Now, this says it's 15 minutes long. I don't think that's the one that I had. Let's see. Santa Claus. Logistics genius, or the world's most elaborate hoax? Today we're unwrapping the ultimate... Now this shows 9 minutes, almost 10 minutes. So the 600 words is a little bit longer than I thought. But let's get out of here. And what we're going to do is go over to Audiogram. And we're going to upload the MP3. Now the cool thing is you could actually go to a podcast and it will convert a podcast for you. But I'm going to upload in downloads here. It's this one. And upload file. Okay. So instead of doing the whole thing, I'm just going to do maybe the first 3 minutes. Let's look at that. Okay. And create audiogram. And do you want to do it captioned or just the traditional? I'm going to do captioned. And these are dynamic captions that play with the video. The next, you can design your layout. Now, I'm going to show you the one that I used in the Facebook demonstration. That makes it pretty easy. But there's others that you can kind of customize with your own logos, your own brand colors, and everything else. Okay. Let's see what it sounds like. Santa Claus. Logistics genius, or the world's most elaborate hoax? Today we're unwrapping the ultimate delivery operation that would make even Jeff Bezos lose sleep.
Whoa, hold up. Are we seriously discussing Santa Claus?
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and approve the captions. And now you just pick out which template you want to use. You saw me use the other day, I had one that was just this is the one I like. Okay. And let's just play it, see what it sounds like. Santa Claus. Logistics genius, or the world's most elaborate hoax? Today we're unwrapping the ultimate delivery operation that would make even Jeff Bezos lose sleep.
Whoa, hold up. Are we seriously discussing?
You see how this is why they let you edit your captions, is sometimes it's just not matching up exactly. And if you need to go back and edit captions, then you would just select the clip, unwrap it. That was missing. Let's just
Santa Claus.
follow along here.
Logistics genius, or the world's most elaborate hoax? Today we're unwrapping the ultimate delivery operation that would make even Jeff Bezos lose sleep.
Whoa, hold up.
Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's do this. We'll make it even shorter here for the demo. Let's just go out to about right here. I'll only make it 2 minutes long. Captioned. This is the one thing I wish I could just give it the transcript that we already have, and then it would be accurate. Okay, here we go. Let's make that one change right here that I lose sleep. Okay, we'll approve them here. And we're going to go down and choose this one. And here's the cool thing is you can change your waveform color. So let's see if we can maybe give it a green. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay. And we're going to play it.
Santa Claus. Logistics genius, or the world's most elaborate hoax? Today we're unwrapping the ultimate delivery operation.
Okay. And you can add a post roll, which would I'm going to show you how to put in a customized post roll. Now, this is an image. You can change this image. This is one of my custom images. These are locations to put a hotspot underneath them. And if you want to remove one, you can just uncheck it here. Very easy to do. Text color, you got a lot of changes here. But the thing I really like about it, it's so fast to do. Export, take me 2 credits, and this will take probably about 2 minutes to do once it's rendered. Okay, we're done. You can remix it if you want, and it's ready to download right here. Well, let's take a look. Let's go ahead and download it, and then we'll see it from a full video size.
Santa Claus, logistics genius, or the world's most elaborate hoax? Today we're unwrapping the ultimate delivery operation that would make even Jeff Bezos lose sleep.
Whoa, hold up. Are we seriously discussing Santa Claus? I thought this
is pretty cool. And you notice you could kind of modify the captions so that they're properly punctuated and the sentence is in correctly. But other than that, it's really simple. So just a quick review is we created the script inside of chat with this prompt here, and I'll put that down at the bottom. And then we converted it into an audio using 11 Labs, and we used the Gen FM generated podcast. And then we took everything over here to Audiogram and made us a video. Very, very easy to do. And again, you can put in a podcast, or you can do like we just did, is uploaded an MP3 file. So I'll see you on another video. I hope you enjoyed this. It's very easy. You just got to go out there and do it. Bye for now.